Hey everyone, welcome back to day 21 of our HTML and CSS series. Today we're building something really cool, a cinematic media player that looks like a modern Mac-style video window. Let's get started. We'll start with our basic HTML structure, the doc type, HTML, and head sections, and give it a title called Cinematic Media Player. Now let's start by creating our main container. I'll call it Video Wrapper. This section will hold everything that makes up our player, the top bar, the video, and all its styling. Think of it like the frame of a movie screen. Next, let's design a Mac-style top bar to make our player look like a real app window. We'll add 3 small dots, red, yellow, and green, just like on a Mac. Now below that, let's add the actual video element. I'm giving it a source for the video file and a poster image that shows before playback. I'll also add the controls attribute so we can use the browser's built-in player buttons. Now let's move on to our CSS and start by styling the body section. We'll set a smooth diagonal gradient background using 2 rich shades of purple and deep blue to give that cinematic look. Then, we'll use Flexbox to perfectly center our video player both vertically and horizontally on the screen. For the player box, we'll use a dark background color, rounded corners, and a soft shadow to create depth. The max width keeps it responsive, and the overflow hidden makes sure nothing spills out. Now we're styling our top bar, which gives this media player that modern Mac-inspired look. We'll make the bar a deep navy blue and use Flexbox to align everything horizontally, the colored dots on the left and the title next to them. Then, for each dot, we'll give it a small circular shape with a soft border radius and custom colors, red, yellow, and green, just like the window buttons on a Mac interface. This small touch adds realism and gives our player a professional, polished feel. Next, we'll style the video title. We'll make the text white, slightly smaller, and add a bit of transparency so it blends softly into the dark top bar, giving it a clean and minimal feel. Now let's style our video player. We'll set the width to 100% so it stretches across the full container and use display block to remove any small gaps. Then we'll round only the bottom corners using a border radius of 14 pixels to match the overall card design. Finally, we remove the default outline for a cleaner, more cinematic look. Next, we'll enhance the look of our video controls. By styling the WebKit media panel, we can change how the native play and volume bar appear. We'll give it a soft, semi-transparent black background and rounded bottom corners so it blends beautifully with our video container, keeping that clean, cinematic style consistent. And that's it. We've just created a cinematic media player using only HTML and CSS, no JavaScript needed. It looks professional, responsive, and feels like a real app window.